Well, Mr. Ace decided that today was going to be his first day in the lake. Huh. And he loves it. If you can kill the muskrats, that will be even better. Good boy. Grandma's gonna throw it. Hurry, Mom, he's gonna shake. This is your evening exercise, Ace.
This is my shower.
Yeah. Bogey, be nice to Ace. He doesn't even bark at you. Good boy, Aces. We're gonna go swatch him, try to get off of the dock. Okay. We'll get it. He just kind of falls and then he doesn't really know. Come on, over here, over here, over here, AC. AC, Mom, come over here, please. He thinks. Okay, over here. Ace, over here. He doesn't know. You gotta get Shelby over here to teach him. Good boy. Good boy. Ugh. I was like, why do you guys keep doing that? Go ahead. Good boy. Jump. You hear that bark? It's way better than yours, Bogey. Bogey, your bark is an embarrassment compared to Ace. Good boy, over here, over here. Over here, Ace. AC, over here. Over here. Come. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, no more off the dock until we get Shelby here to teach you. Good boy. Oh. Ew. Gotta get the bike down so we can get it fixed because my ankle is not doing well walking him. I pushed it way too far yesterday. We went on a mile walk and my ankle cannot handle that. So this boy needs exercise and we gotta get the bike fixed. Now to get it in the car, I'm gonna take a wheel off. I'll put Ace in the front with me. I was looking at other bikes, tricycle bikes, just to be safer with him riding alongside me. We're just gonna get this fixed up. It's gonna fit. I need you to fit. Okay. I really need you to fit. You know what? Maybe we'll just have to ride with the handle out the window. You on? Oh, shoot, Ace. Mr. Ace thinks I'm leaving him, and I'm not leaving him. Okay, he scratched the crap out of my car. My ankle hurts, AC. My bike is in the shop. I don't have anything else. Okay, come on, let's walk. Come on. He is going crazy. Come on, get down. Oh my God. Ace! Ace, come on. Oh, shit. Ace, I can't walk, dude. Oh my God. AC, good boy. Get down. Get down. I need his ball. Oh, here it is. Okay, let's see if I can throw this. No. Get it. Okay. Is he gonna get it? Good boy. Here it goes. Oh, gross. Opening my sunroof. Oh, shoot. Okay. Get off the car. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, we can't do that. Come on. Let's go. No, get down. AC, I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving. I love you. You're my precious puppy dog. Come on, AC. There's people riding their motorcycles and we can't do this. Come on, get down. Maybe I'm gonna come up there to that. I'm gonna go up to that rock. I'll get him back in. Okay, get down. Get down. Okay. I'm gonna get him. We're gonna just walk up to that rock because he is going crazy. I don't want to run over his foot. See this? Yeah, poor, it was sad. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. How am I supposed to, come on, let's go, get in. How am I supposed to walk you? My ankle hurts. Mr. AZ, I love you. I'm not leaving you. That was sad. Broke my heart. Okay, we'll throw it up over here, okay? Oh, shoot. Okay, we're gonna get lost. Did you see it? Hopefully. Okay, let's go find, no, I don't have it. You're supposed to bring it. Pretty boy, you can run through the field of sunflowers. You're my little sunflower. That's a good ball. It really bounces. I ordered it separate from the Chuck It. It's like a rubber. So it's not as gross and dirty, and you can rinse it off. And it has a good bounce, so you can see it. Good boy. Hi, Mr. Ace. He's a pretty boy. Plan B. Good boy. You're such a good boy, Ace. Ready? Alright, let's wear him out. It's a little uphill, so that's good. Some other dogs were taking a walk with their owners. There's a bunch of them. And one big one came up and was seeing Ace. My class last week for dog training was about dog body language, and his hackles were up. I learned also watching some YouTube videos that when dogs go over, they put their head over their back, you know, they could be like trying to be dominant. Anyway, I was just trying to get him to not be like that. And so I threw the ball to distract him, which he does pretty well. So we ran towards the ball, but then the other dog ran towards the ball, and she was a big girl. She got the ball from him and brought it back. And then the owners are just like, come here, come here. But he was doing good. He didn't go and see all the other dogs. And so we're just doing this for now. And what we do, I brought the littler one yesterday morning when we threw the ball at the baseball park. And it's really just not enough water. So we will most likely just stay here until, he's like, come on, until the water's empty, right, Ace? That's kind of what we've been doing at the ballpark. So, okay, go get it. Oh my goodness, he lost it again. He keeps losing it over there. Hopefully he'll find it. Well, we can't find the ball. And I wish that these balls had a beeping sound on them. I know there's balls that whistle when you throw them, but you know, one that beeps so a dog could hear it. Maybe it's farther than I thought, because these rubber ball versions are more expensive. I'd pay more, you know, even if it was rechargeable for a beacon ball. Test it out. Did he get it? He got it! Good boy! Good boy, Mr. Ace! Good boy! Good, you found it! You're such a good boy. Yes, you are. Okay, let's go back by the water and throw it. So, Lexi called and said the power's out, and I think my mom has a crock pot meal cooking. And so we didn't wait completely until the water was done, but we started walking towards the car, and the driver's side door's open and Ace is ready to go. He's ready to go. So we're gonna see if I can pull my battery out for my mom to use. Okay? Okay, Mr. Ed, you're a good boy. That was a good amount of exercise. But this dog can go and go and go. So we usually go out 2 times a day to do something. So we got back from our very long chuck it ball session in the mountains, and Ace decided there was a fisherman by my mom's yard and dock, and Ace decided he was going to jump in and chase the fisherman's pole. And Ace got hooked. The guy was going away. I don't know why he didn't go faster. But Ace just kept going. This dog has so much freaking energy. No, I'm mad at you. You stay. You're a bad doggy. No, you're filthy and I'm getting you in the tub. You stink. And anyway, so I jumped into the neighbor's yard, Lila's real home, and luckily Ace started swimming to the shore once he caught the hook, and it was hooked in his mouth. And I'm like, I've never pulled a hook out of anything before, let alone a dog. And Ace here, luckily it was just like kind of hooked on his lip and the barb wasn't stuck in. Oh my gosh. And I'm like, I'm sorry, dude, but let this be a lesson. Like, these fishermen, don't freaking go so close to the houses, okay? Ace, so much for showering today, but we're gonna get you in the tub and you're gonna get a bath, okay? Okay. All clean. He was pretty good. Well, he was good. Tomorrow I need to ask the vet about his paws, because these little nubs he keeps scratching up, and so I'm very gentle when I touch them. But he's good with his rear paws, and he didn't really appreciate it, but I don't appreciate you getting in the lake, okay? I already showered today, and now I'm down to my skivvies. Go ahead, shake. Shake. Can you shake, please? Shake. Good boy. It's okay, we're better now. Luckily for this deep, stupid tub that's massive. Okay, well, I'm gonna get the towel, start drying him, and then he just lays his head there. He's like, this is terrible. You're so terrible, you're awful. All right, well, we dried him with the towel, and he still hasn't given himself a shake. I did attempt a blow dryer on him the other day, but he didn't really appreciate it. So I'm just gonna let him be for now. He has a very short coat and I dried him pretty well. Are you ready to get out? Come on, help me out. Good boy. Oh shoot. Okay, well, ew. Okay, well, he can get out a lot easier than I expected. Okay, all righty. Okay, good boy.